Hi, Rick Wood here, Rick Wood's Nature Aware, and we're talking about Troop Bravo, the long-tailed macaques that live in North Jakarta. And they are wild monkeys that live in a city of 13 million people. And today we're going to talk a little bit about their basic behaviors. So if you're new to the channel, this is a good way to learn about the monkeys. One of the first things that you see whenever you watch long-tailed macaques, or any monkeys really, is they like to play. But also, long-tailed macaques spend a lot of their day actually just looking for food, about 30% of their day. The other main behavior that you're always going to see is social activity between troop members. They have friends, they have allegiances, and they have family members, and they keep close social bonds.